My name is Joshua, and welcome back to Design Mastery with Canva. Today, we're going to take a look at brand kits. What are brand kits? How do I use them? How do we set them up? Well, in a nutshell, a brand kit is a tool provided by Canva for you and your team to make sure that any design that you publish or create through Canva has that unique brand identity that belongs to you. Setting it up is quite simple. You need to do a little bit of prep, but I'll walk you through the steps. First thing that we're going to do is go to brand. Now, if you look on the left-hand side in the navigation bar, we're going to see brand and we're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on brand kits, and this is where we're going to start. So as you can see, I already have two brand kits that are set up for me and my work. Today, we're going to set up a new brand kit. So we're going to click the add new button. Now I'm building this brand kit for a client of ours. So I'm just going to type in their name and then click create. And then once I've clicked create, this page is going to open up. As you can see over here, there are a lot of input fields that I need to start filling in. Luckily, I have prepared all of the things that I need to put in. And first things first, logo. When you're adding a logo, I recommend that you add a logo as a SVG file. The reason I say SVG is because you can change the color and modify it to suit your brand. So I'm just going to drag and drop my SVG file into here, and then it uploads, and now this step is done. Now it's already going to pick up the color from the file and add it here, but maybe this is not the color I want to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and click remove. Okay, next thing is colors. Now I have my first color, so I'm going to click add new color and type in my hex code. Then my second color and put it in my hex code. And now I have a third color as well, which I'm going to click on this and add it to my hex code. Now you can get your brand color hex codes through the Canva color palette, like we showed you in the previous video. Fonts. Now, for this brand, I have a title font, which is going to be Aileron Heavy or Black. My subtitle is going to be Aileron Regular. My body text is not Aileron. My body text is going to be Cooper Hewitt. I can choose to add a heading, subheading, and section header, but for this brand, I don't need to. Next thing that you're going to do is create a brand voice. So this is the section where you tell Canva what your brand is about. Right here in this text box, what you're going to do is describe how to write in your brand voice. So I have a little bit of an about my brand section for this client. So I'm just going to add it. So you only get 500 characters. So that's all we have to do. And there we go. Brand voice is done. Now, if you have photos, graphics, or icons, you can drag and drop them in here. And then you will be able to use them whenever you're creating any project for your brand. Once you're done with that, click on Save. Then you can choose to share this with your team. And that's it, guys. That's how you set up a brand kit. I'll catch you in the next one.